Now, we all know that Pepe took the cryptocurrency world by storm. If you guys weren't paying attention in 2023, Pepe introduced itself. It was trading at like a $30,000 market cap and soared into the billions in about 18, 19 days. Major millionaires made overnight, and I believe that we could see Pepe Unchained do something very similar. Now, we're going to be talking about it in this video, and they're already offering crazy rewards at 443% annualized interest, and that doesn't include any of the price appreciation potential. So let's talk about it. If it sounds like something you're interested in, let's get started. What's up, everybody? I'm Clay, and as you can see, we got Pepe Unchained on the screen right now, and they are doing a phenomenal job to raise and really outraise a lot of other projects at a time when the cryptocurrency market doesn't see retail investors. At a time when the cryptocurrency market is afraid. Now, if you're not afraid and you're interested in buying Pepe Unchained, make sure you use that link down in the description or the pinned comment down there. And of course, it's going to pull you up to this website. From there, you're going to simply click Connect Wallet. And I like to use Wallet Connect and scan this little QR code here, but you can do it any way you wish. And then you're going to determine how much you want to buy. If you want to grab one Ethereum worth, you're going to be walking away with 391,929 Pepu or Pepe Unchained token at a price of 0.84937 cents. Guys, the price is increasing every couple days, and in 1 day, 2 hours, you're going to see another increase in Pepe Unchained. But I want to do a couple things before we go through this website, before we see what Pepe Unchained is and so on. It is a layer 2 blockchain. Okay, it's going to be built. It's its own blockchain, which is very huge, right? Think about Shibarium and think about a lot of these other tokens that have become layer 2s and just major success that they've seen. You could be seeing that with Pepe Unchained here. But I want to show you Pepe real quick, okay? Pepe, it moved very quickly from a market cap of almost nothing. And you can see over here on the left-hand side of the screen, shot up wildly, right? Now, here's what I want to do, okay? I want to move this screen here so that you can't see the more recent price action. A very radical increase in price. And then I remember, okay? I remember people trading and people buying Pepe in this area and then saying, it's done. Pepe was a fad. It pumped, it dumped. Now it's over. And you know what? There were a couple instances where Elon Musk tweeted a Pepe meme, and boom, you saw the price recover nicely during those times. But look at where we are now. We have not even entered a bull market situation, and Pepe has soared in value. Guys, you're talking, 1,000x increases from the launch price. You're talking major 50x increases from this area in here. It is insane money that people made with Pepe. And a lot of analysts are expecting Pepe Unchained to do something very similar. Now, the hard part for retail investors is if you don't have this initial surge, if you don't go in there and make your 100x gain, essentially overnight or in a one week period, and you don't turn your $1,000 into $50 million in the first week, retail investors are confused. It's a fake project, right? It's a scam project. This is literally one in probably a million. You guys know how many tokens are created on a daily basis. Pepe, Bonk, Dog with Hat, Shiba Inu coin, Dogecoin. Tokens don't do that. Tokens don't soar overnight. It's more like this. They take a long period of time to onboard users, and they take a long period of time to grow a community, but once they do, okay, imagine if Pepe never had this initial surge, if it just had slow and steady and phenomenal growth. Well, retail views slow and steady and phenomenal growth as boring. Who wants 443%? I can't even say it without laughing. Who wants 443%? Annualized rewards? That's nothing in the crypto game. Who wants 100 times faster transactions than the Ethereum blockchain? Instant bridging. A layer 2 dedicated to seeing this meme and other memes soar. Who wants a dedicated block explorer? You know, when you really look at what Pepe Unchained is building here, it truly is phenomenal and goes well beyond the 443% staking rewards. I mean, you've got the name of Pepe. You've already got a dedicated community. And you've got a community that is truly growing simply for Pepe Unchained as well. These guys have amassed 7.7 thousand followers out on X, and they're growing their Telegram account, and these guys are active on a daily basis. You can see that they're getting very good engagement. 10,000 impressions, 7.6 thousand impressions, 5,000 impressions. Scroll down here, 10,000 impressions. These guys are doing everything that a meme coin should be doing. And if you want more information, you can scroll through and get all of this information, but I want to show you why they can afford those 449% staking rewards, and that's because 30% of the supply goes to staking. 10 or 20% of the supply is going to the pre-sale. There are more tokens dedicated to the staking rewards than there are the entire pre-sale. So please keep in mind that these guys can fund this level of staking, this level of interest, these levels of rewards for a very long time moving forward. And you know what? Get all your questions answered before you decide to jump in and all of that. But I am very excited about Pepe Unchained because it's going to feed off of the already, I guess, strength of Pepe. I've been looking at my YouTube analytics, right? And the search term Pepe coin does extremely well. There's a lot of people that are searching for Pepe coin news on a daily basis. Now, don't you think that Pepe Unchained is going to show up in their feed? Don't you think that YouTube and other social media platforms are going to organically recommend this content to those that like Pepe coin? They absolutely will. The marketing presence alone, simply from this Pepe Unchained and taking advantage of the Pepe name, is going to drive demand into the future. The only question we have to ask is, are we going to ignore the fear of the overall market, and are we going to buy in? I want to know what you guys think about it down in the comments below, and until the next time, hope each and every one of you have an awesome day.